Hi friends, welcome to Piece of Life channel. Today I will show you how to arrange all the colors of Rubik Cube properly in a very simple manner. So friends, there is a small tricks, very easy tricks, so you can easily shuffle or arrange all the colors in a proper manner. Like you are watching now, white, red, yellow, orange, blue and green all are in their proper manner. Now I will show you how to arrange all the colors in like this manner. First of all, I will shuffle all this. Now you see every color is not in proper manner. So there are some steps. With the help of these steps you can make this Rubik Cube in proper segments. Okay, now we can start with white colors. If you want to start, there is there are the three steps to first there are the three layers of Rubik Cube. First layer, second layer and third layer, this one. So first of all we can arrange this one. Top layer is also called the first layer. To arrange the first layer we have to first create a plus sign. Any color you can choose, like a middle color. The middle color didn't change anytime. Like if you choose white, blue, yellow, red or orange, as per you wish. There is no any restriction. You can choose any color to start the top layer, to start arranging the top layer of Rubik Cube. So now first I will select this one, yellow. I can select yellow because there is all color are different besides yellow. So first step is to create a plus sign, like yellow, like we create a plus sign with the yellow color. For this, first of all I find out the yellow, this yellow, like to make a plus sign. Where is yellow? So I find out here yellow. Where is yellow? Yeah, here is yellow. So how can I upstairs here this yellow color or here? So there is very simple things. If I want this color here, so I can move this upstairs. Now it's moving upstairs. So you can see, so this it's a little bit complete, like yellow. Now we can search for this cube. So you can find here yellow is already available. So you can move this upstairs. Now this yellow is there. So this yellow color we need here. For this, what we do, like here we want, and this is color here. If we move upstairs, so its color, it's down and it's up, but we want at this side. So what we just move this side beside this. So easily I can move upstairs. So now we are completed the first steps, that is a plus sign with a yellow color. Now we need to arrange the cubicles like corners of Rubik Cube with a yellow color. For this, what we do, like it's a cube, like cube part is there. So first of all, second step is arranging this one, blue with blue, like this, green with green. So it's in proper manner, but it's not in proper manner. For this, what we do, only one thing is there, just move this yellow in opposite direction, like this one, and nothing to do. If it's orange is here, so just move it orange, just match it. See, now orange is matched. What you do, just move upside. Okay, then you search for blue. Where is blue? Where is blue? Where is blue? Here is blue. You can just upstairs this blue. Okay, now this is red. We can search for red. Now red is there. You can, once you found red, you can upstairs. Okay, now see, we are arrange all this layer properly. Now it's time to arrange the corners of Rubik Cube. Corners, how we arrange? Corner contain three colors, one side and two sides and one upper sides. So for example, here what we do, we have to search for, now and any corner you can start, no issue, there is no issue, you can start from any corner. So I select this corner. Here is a blue, orange, yellow. So I can first search for this color, orange, blue, yellow. So where is it? So here is orange, orange, blue, yellow, orange, blue, yellow. So here is it. Okay, orange, oh, so we found it, this red, blue, yellow, red, blue, yellow. So we have to fix this corner at that place. For this, what we do, this yellow we need to upper side. We can do this one, just move down and just upstairs, so it's turned to upstairs. Now it's upstairs but not in proper place. So what we do one thing, just we can sign this yellow here at place, and we can down this one, and now we can do this one that place. Still not working. Okay, for this we have to upstairs this yellow piece. So what we do, this is yellow here and we want here. For this we can skip it this corner at opposite side. Okay, and then we move this corner. We have to shift this corner at that place. For this we can move this down. Okay, and then we can shift here this corner and again move up. So now you can see that corner is fixed properly at that place. Okay, now we can do at that place also. For this we want green, yellow, red. Green, yellow, red, this one. Okay, this cube we need to fix here. So first of all, if whatever the piece we have to fix at the top corner, we should have to move at the bottom level. Okay, now what we do, first of all we can keep this at that side and just move this at here and put here, then upstairs. So now we can properly fix at a proper place. Now this one orange. Now at the place we need yellow, orange, green piece. Yellow, orange, green piece already here. We need to upstairs this one. So we can again do same thing. It's already at the bottom of this piece where we have to place. So we can keep this cube at one place and down, and we can upstairs this. Okay, now it's not in proper way. For this can do this one, and we can keep it this sides and keep it down, can move up. Now it's in proper place. Okay, so now that is piece yellow, orange, yellow, orange, blue, yellow, orange, blue, yellow, orange, blue, this one. Okay, so that is a yellow, orange one. So same thing what we do, we can keep all yellow, orange, blue at opposite sides, and we can down a place where we need to shift that place. We can shift it and upstairs. Now you can see our first layer has been completed. Okay, so this is time we can start building a second layer of cube. For this, what we see, red. So we can start with red. Again we have to watch the two colors. First is red, another is green. So we need a combination of the red and green color. So for this, what we do, we can start with the red. If red is there, no red is there. Okay, green is there. Okay, green is there, but we have to see the green and the red, that both are fixed here. So we can keep it this piece at the right hand side, because we have to shift this piece, this corner piece, at the left hand side. So we can save it at right hand side, and again we move this down. Okay, then we move ups, then we can upstairs, then can do this one, this one, this one, and this one. So here we need blue and red, so you can search it, blue and red, blue and red, blue and red, this one. So we can move this one here. Whenever we want to shift this blue and red at the right hand side, so we can keep it this piece left hand side and then move down, then up, then down, keep it here, then down, move up this. So you can see now this one is set. So all the steps you can do slowly. It took some time for practice for fast forward. So you can note down each and every steps. You can slow this video and note each and every steps. Okay, now we have to find orange and green. Orange and green. Whereas this is orange and green. See, green and orange. You can move this at left hand side and because now we have to shift this piece at right hand side corner. Okay, so move this one down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Now we are completed two block of color. Two things has been completed. The two layer of Rubik Cube has been completed. So it's time to turn this Rubik Cube at the top level. Now we can change the position, the hold position of the Rubik Cube. Now what we can do, we do this to arrange this top layer. Again, our main goal is to create this plus sign, but now we are creating this plus sign by different methods. So now we have already have a white here, but we want white and white cube here. Then we are able to complete the plus sign. For this, what we do, first of all, we are holding this Rubik Cube in the date way. Like here is no white color, here is red color. So that is a position to hold a Rubik Cube. Now what we do, first change this position like this. Okay, then like that, then move upstairs, then again reverse, then upstairs, then and this one. Now see your all the second layer is okay, and you are successfully completed the plus sign. Now we have to match this color. Okay, so what we do like this. If blue is matched, red, orange, but we can see we can move orange here. Now see, this green color is matched, orange is matched. So what we do, we can put this green back and orange at the right hand side corner and perform this step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now match the red color with the red color. middle center. Okay, so see, red, green, orange and blue all are matched, and this one of the corner also shifted at a proper place. So now our target is to achieve this corner place at a proper side. Then we will be successfully complete this Rubik cube, or we are properly arrange this Rubik cube at their proper place. For this, what we need, we can hold a Rubik cube in that way, so the matching place at your right hand side, and you do like you can move this at left hand side and just upstairs this corner, again reverse it, and this also left hand side upstairs, and then reverse it all things, reverse it at all things. Now you are see our orange, red, white, red and here orange is completed, but still two corners not at their place, so we can just move this one here. And now see what is it, white, red, green, orange, white, green, both the cubes are their own place but not in proper manner. Like here we want white, here we want green, and here we want red color. For this, what you do, you can just do a simple step, just move down and then left, then upstairs, then right, then down, then left, then upstairs, then right. If it's in proper place, just move this at here, just down, left, upstairs, right, down, see, now you are visible, like we are just close to complete this Rubik cube. Just in 1 second you see the magic here. 1, 2 and wow, hooray, there are Rubik cube colors are arranged in a proper manner. We have successfully complete this Rubik cube in just few minutes. Thank you very much for watching this video.